Today on Ask Darren, we're going to look at the Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaner. Let's begin. Alright, today I am going to do a review and demonstration on how to use the Bissell Big Green. This is a deep cleaning machine. So my friend actually purchased this, so he's letting me use it. This is the main way into my house through my garage, so this carpet gets a lot of traffic. So what I'm going to do is go over, pretty much how this machine works and test it out and give you if I like it or not. I'll put a link down in the description below on where to purchase one just like this. So first off, you'll see that it has a container. So it has a fill line. So when this gets full, it'll quit suctioning. And this is where you put in your mixture. We actually use the Bissell. This is the Max Clean and Protect. So it looks like it has some sort of protectant inside of it. Instructions are on the back. You can pre-treat some of the stubborn stains so you get a better result. So everything's pretty much labeled. This says front, so you know to put it onto the front of the machine. And this comes off, so you can actually dump the dirty water that comes out. Here's your float. When it gets up high enough, it lifts it up and it'll break the suction power. So that's locked back in place. We can set that back in place. So what's nice about this is, it packs up pretty small. It takes up a little bit of storage room, but not anything too bad. So pretty long cord. The handle makes it really easy to push it around. It has pretty nice big wheels on the side of it. And then underneath, you can see it has a floating head, other rollers that guide you, and the bristles are pretty soft, so it probably gets in there and hits it pretty good. And it looks like you have like a 12, 13 inch, maybe 14 inch suction valve. So I'm going to set this thing up and get it ready, and we'll demo it a little bit. Alright, so the mixture on this, according to the instructions on the other thing, so it's a gallon of water to 2.5 ounces of the mixture. And what's nice is they actually put a mark inside here, this cup. So you just pour it in there and then you just close it and boom, you're done. So easy to mix, and I'll give it a little swish around. Also, it does suggest for best results to use hot water. So this is hot water in here. And put that on. This just drops into place. This has also a flow indicator. I think you can buy other attachments to do like upholstery to clean with. I don't know if this came with that, but this is all he brought me. So what I want to do is go ahead and get set up and go ahead and start using it. All right, well, I went through that gallon of water already. So let me open this up. And now I've vacuumed this a couple times before I started. And I don't know if you saw, but when I pulled back the first time, we have 4 dogs. So this was a big old, it picked up all that extra hair that the vacuum didn't even get. So I'd say it gets in pretty deep. So the water, it's pretty foamy. I don't know if you can see it, but look how dirty that is. And there's tons of dirt down at the bottom. So I might go ahead and clean this and then go over it one more time before I call it done. All right, well, I'm going to dump the water for the first time, and don't judge me. I actually cleaned these like 3 or 4 months ago, so you'd be amazed at how much crap gets trapped in your carpets. All right, well, I just went over it a second time. Let me pull this hopper off and let's see how dirty the water is this time. So it's not nearly as dirty, but I don't know if I can get this on there. See how dirty it is? That just blows my mind how dirty carpet gets and you don't even realize it. So I noticed I had a bunch of pet hair. So I'm going to pull this off and make sure, yeah. So it really doesn't get that clogged up with pet hair. Hopefully you can take some information from this video and apply it to your next carpet cleaner purchase. I would purchase this carpet cleaner. I was very impressed on how much it cleaned my carpets and suctioned them up. The carpet was very damp afterwards. It really wasn't wet. And I did go over everything twice, so I figured it'd be a little bit wetter. I did vacuum it up afterwards and none of my stains came back. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.